Good everyone, how you all going? Lots of birds having a bit to eat today, and they had a little argument there just before. These two on the top of the nest here were actually feeding, and some other ones came down. Let's see if they'll go back down onto there again. Here they are. There they go back on. Which is kind of surprising. The other two are quiet and peacefully just eating that from there. One's keeping an eye out for the other one. Lots of these birds around today. Beautiful, I tell you. Oh, that was so cute. Gotta. Yeah, the pigeons like to try to get their tucker. Try to get in there. I've got to put water into the fountain there because it's running low. Let's see if these pigeons try anything. Well, they're just going to hang around. Yeah, you can tell they're male and female. One's duller, got a duller colour than the other one's got bright red and a dull red. Yeah, and that one just told the other one off the one. Yeah, I'm gonna have a go at you. Oh well. There's a magpie there. Flew away. Wow. On the tree there. Nope, the pigeons have got to that one now. They're deciding what to do, eh? I went to the pigeon to get a nudge, it's still there. So one's going to try and make themselves bigger than the other one. Oh well, I've got things to do. Can't stand around here and watch them all day. You all take it easy and have a great day. Thank you for watching.